some food. You won't even know where the lake is. Sky is unbelievable at night. Hello, namaste and Jule. We are at Pangong Lake and this is our day 1. This is the only day we are spending at Pangong. I think it's pretty much enough for this place. So we traveled today from Nubra to Pangong and it's quite sunny today. It's nice. The wind is cool, so it's beautiful. And look at the view. So we are staying at the Golden Cottages. You can find this on booking.com or make my trip anywhere. So this is the area of the camp. Cottages are easily available near the lake. If you book a resort or a hotel, it will be like not that close to the lake. So preferably book a cottage or a tent so that you can have this amazing mesmerizing view. The room that we have is very minimalistic and it has a view of the Pangong Lake from the window. So getting into our room in the Golden Cottage, there's a table, there's a window, then we have the bed, then there's this little washroom, and that is it if you're spending just one night. So I think this is enough. And the view from the window is this. So everybody over here uses generators. तो अभी electricity का थोड़ा supply यहाँ पे नहीं होता है I think. So generators also they use from the evening, like from 4 p.m. till I think 10 p.m. We'll be going to the lake now and we'll spend some time walking around. Our driver bhaiya suggested that we just walk down और फिर चलते चलते we can find those scooters and all, and maybe we get our pictures clicked over there because pictures. Okay, fine. See you. Are you excited? There is no Wi-Fi in this region and there was no Wi-Fi in Nubra, so we are in a no network zone since the last 3-4 days and it feels so amazing to just cut off and relax for a while. And I have realized this on this trip. I was not like this. The different shades of blue of the Pangong Lake. This won't be able to capture how beautiful it looks in real, but that's for you all. Change of plans. We are not sitting on the scooters and clicking pictures because so many people out there, Corona time, so we are ditching that and we are moving to have something, to have some food, and I will show you what we're gonna eat because I'm very hungry. There are some cafes but not sure which one is good, so let's try out. This was Friends Restaurant and Cottage, where we just had honey chili potato and veg momos. It was all vegetarian, so, and mostly restaurants are vegetarian over here. Now we are heading to
back.
We are heading back, so why don't we go from here?
नहीं वहाँ पे धूल उड़ती है.
अच्छा,
नीचे से चलेंगे.
तो नीचे से चलते हैं.
बारिश के बादल हैं. बादलों में एक अजीब सी लहर.
So, अगर आप पैंगोंग में आए हो तो आपको रात को रुकना चाहिए या नहीं? बिकॉज यहाँ पे रात में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं मिलेगी, कुछ इंटरनेट नहीं चलेगा, नेटवर्क नहीं आएगा. सो जो भी आपको करना होता है, मेनली पीपल क्लिक पिक्चर्स, टेक वीडियोज़, ये सब दिन में हो जाता है, विच वी हैव ऑल्सो डन. और खा पी भी लिया है, तो डिनर करना पड़ेगा. डिनर बिकॉज इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. They say that the sky is so clear, like look at this. The sky is so clear, so night sky is a bliss. If you sit outside and watch the night sky, it's really very peaceful. So गौरव कह रहा है कि अगर यहाँ पे आए हो तो फिर रुक भी जाओ. If you don't want to stay for the night, you can speed up the process. नहाना मत. Whatever you feel is good for you and as per your itinerary that you've planned. तो अपने प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग आप चूज़ कर सकते हो, बट रात का सीन थोड़ा सेट रहता है यहाँ पे. मतलब you can experience the peace which is very rare in the city life. So, and basically we are traveling to Pangong and these kind of remote areas just to have some peace and just detach from that busy life a little bit. So experience that if you're here. That would be my suggestion if you want to take it or just leave it. Hey guys, it's evening now and I just wanted to capture the lake in the evening, but it's not that pretty. जो दिन में लगता है, it changes colors. During the day you can see different shades of blue, but right now it's pretty, but not that pretty as compared to what it looks during the day. So this is how it looks in the evening. Oh my god, the wind is so chilly. It's so chilly. There were many people who were carrying the scarves and the woolen caps. So it's better if you carry those because you have to walk all the way. I'm not wearing one because I'm just standing outside my cottage or whatever you call it. When I was coming back, I was feeling so cold. If you are returning back or going at around 4:30 or 5 p.m. in the evening, if you're going there or coming back, make sure you take your woolen caps or hats or scarves, mufflers, whatever. Oh, it's all dark outside. You won't even know where the lake is. And we are going for dinner. It's super chilly. So cold. Let's see what we have for dinner. Hi guys, the electricity is about to go and they will be cutting off and we'll be going out, sitting under the stars. It's really beautiful, but I'm gonna end this vlog because you guys should come here and actually witness how beautiful the sky is and all the stars so close and so clear. So do stay for the night. We were just discussing it in the afternoon that you should or you shouldn't, but you should, definitely should, because this is a really nice view. बहुत ही अच्छा और amazing feeling है और बहुत ही अच्छा view है. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna end this vlog now. I will see you in my next vlog. If you haven't seen my previous vlog, do check them out. Stay tuned and like, share, subscribe. Bye. I wanted to read this out for you. They have put this board with all the points. I think I've put that in the video, but I want to read this out. The sky is unbelievable at night. Once the generator is out, please do sit outside for a while and look up. You will be in for a treat. So we are going for a treat, and now bye. Bye.